How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back. Me. I have an Audi Q7. This is 2009 though, but if you have a car between 2007 and 2009, then this project is for you, alright? So stay tuned so you can see how it replaces the headlight bulb, alright? So stay tuned. Alright, shout outs to everybody. I'm not gonna hold you up. Shout out to the whole planet, the game, the king, all that, alright? Come with me, I'll show you how to replace that, alright? The driver's side. Yeah. Hopefully you know how to open the hood, you know what I'm saying? Open the hood, you don't need to hold it. This guy right here is not working, so we're gonna replace it. Alright? Now we come through, we see all this. Pop. There's this guy. So for that, we're gonna have to move all this. Now I'm saying this is the air filter housing. Okay, so we're gonna do some magic. All right. You see this guy right here? 10 millimeter. All right. Pop. Don't drop it. Okay. If you need more leverage, you know what to do. Okay. Hopefully I have enough here, but it seems like it's not enough yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this, pop. It will be better if with just that clamp, move it away. Pop. Careful with this connector. You see that real quick. This is alright though. Just gonna put it like that. Pop. This guy. Okay. I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna pop this just in case. Alright. Take this. You see this guy right here? Spray it towards you. You don't have to though, but this thing kind of like a holding the hose because it's connected down here like that. Now this thing like that, okay? Now you have more space here. You can remove this if you want, it's up to you. Just put it to the side. Now you have more space here. This thing now, we're going to pull it. Hold up. It would be better if you spray some WD-40, okay? Also gonna remove this clip over here. Now we're gonna remove that plastic that is holding the one here and one through this hole right here. Okay, when I hit those, I'm gonna do it with a T30, alright? T30 hits whatever you want to call it. One there, the other one is over here. Oh, the other one is over here too. All right. This one right here. Now this guy come out. Don't forget to disconnect this guy right here, okay? Just press back. It's gonna come out, alright? Now we're Gucci. There's a clip over here. Ah! Maybe that helps. Okay. So this clip right here. You're gonna see it like that. Just push it up. Okay. Pull it out. Now it's right here. Came out. Alright. Here's the guy. Just pride though. Okay. This is like the lock mechanism. Okay. Left to unlock it, clockwise to lock it. Alright. So yeah guys, just put the new part. Oh, let me show you. So here it is. Alright. It's Phillips. This is the part. Alright. And just put everything back like the same way you remove it, the same way you remove everything, the same way you put everything back. The installation goes in reverse, and that's it. Alright, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. It was a beautiful job, you know what I'm saying? I love it, I like it. Psych. And I'm gonna leave it right there. Don't forget about this, okay? This is like the lock mechanism for this baby. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, haters, lovers, community channel, you know what I'm saying? Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you want to support the channel. There's a heart right below this video. Am I bleeding? Oh shit, huh. Some light. Yeah, alright. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Anything you want to say, put it in the comment box, okay? Let me know how you feel about this headlight. Okay? It's not that it's more like a Lego to me, okay? This European car, alright? It's light, you know what I'm saying? It's light. Yeah. Support the channel. Click on the heart. It's a stance. Go through it. Do your part. Nah. Let's get it. See me in the next one. Axtuo. Boom. Talking out. Yeah.